Good morning. We are here at Garlits Museum. As you can see, they're doing the drag racing, RCDRL. We got Mike Mercadale over there, and we are going to have a good day of racing. Let's go check them out.
That same evening.
Check it out.
All right, drivers, what you like?
Oh yeah. Appreciate you guys. I saw the videos yesterday. Ready.
There you go. Damn! You don't drive further than I do.
His correct nickname is 3J. Ignore Mike Mercadale when he calls him out. It is 3J.
Yeah.
You run a little bit of everything, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Look at them cars.
Wow.
What do you like the best?
I would gotta say my top alcohol dragster.
Good things are fast, man. I ain't been around them much, but watching them today, I like the shit out of them.
It's the same powertrain that we have in Pro Street cars or the Outlaw cars. Same thing, just a little bit smaller battery.
That's cool.
And we're on phone.
What cell? Does it 2 cell still, or what?
2 cell, yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Appreciate it, bud.
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Morning.
Morning.
Morning. How are you, man? You ready?
Good. How are you doing?
You doing good, bud. Good.
Steve Larson would be happy to see that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Morning. Good luck.
Thanks.
Good morning. Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Team Webb RC.
Team Webb RC right there.
Out to have a good time. Good luck, buddy.
Yes, thank you.
Been the fastest cars out here I've seen yet, man. Great to see you guys. Them things are awesome. But y'all see a lot of them running. Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Good smile on that face. And there you go.
And that's the museum, y'all. Don's Garage. Very cool place, y'all. Very cool place. Morning, buddy.
It's like morning. And there's another lady likes to be on the
Watch light.
What the Sam did you do to your phone?
Well, I'm recording.
Sorry. What's up?
She's showing love, let me show the love. Side by side, right? And it was a green light start. And unfortunate. Oh, double DQ. Oh, almost a foot. Oh, freeway with the side by side. Oh,
Yeah, we blow the house down. Yeah, we blow the house down. Big moves will shake the ground. All the greats who came before us, we about to make them proud. We got to make this count. Take the ball and raise it now.
oh, wicked stars. Right? Oh, still one. Green line starting at the finish line. Side by side, close to it. Green line starting at the finish. Oh, red light.